Hello, holiday heroes! Miss Rosie here, and I am here with a quick video to show you all how to put together your very own passport for World Traveler Wednesdays. So, if you haven't seen a passport before or know what one is, this is what you need to get in and out of a country. So, it has all of your information on it, so it has your picture, your place of birth, birthday, everything like that. And then it also has places for stamps. So once you get into a country and you go through customs, you get a stamp in your passport to show where you've been. It's also to help keep track of people who are in the country. And then there's also a place for a visa. If you ever study abroad or live abroad, you have to have a visa, which is basically a permission to stay an extended period in a country. So mine was from Italy. I studied abroad in Italy a few years ago. It was very fun. I ate a lot of pasta. But we are going to be making our very own passports so that when we travel to a new country each week, we can have you'll get a passport stamp. So you'll have a little stamp every week to put in your passport, and so it'll show like where we've been, what day we traveled there. So for example, we're going to Canada on Wednesday on April 28th. So here's my Canada passport stamp, and if you don't already have this, you will be getting it in the next activity kit distribution. So once you get that, you can go back into your passport and put that in there. So what you should have with you right now is a pencil or a pen, either preferably a glue stick if you have it. I didn't have one right now, so I have just tape. A hole punch. You'll probably have a little handheld hole punch. I have a 3-hole punch, but we're going to make it work. And you will also be needing a pair of scissors, so if you have a parent or guardian close by, grab them to help you with the cutting. You should also have 3 pieces of string that look like this. You should also have 2 different colored pages. I have brown and blue right now. You may have 2 other colors, but make sure you have 2 different colors. And you will also have a page that says International Passport, one that says My Travel Stamps, and then you should have 2 maps, one that says where I have visited on my world travels, and another one that just says the 7 continents of the world, and that's just going to be used as a reference map. So if we go somewhere in Asia, you know on this map where Asia is, and you can use that to pinpoint where it is on here as well. So for now, put those 2 aside, the 2 maps. We're going to begin making our passport. So first, you'll want to take the international passport and cut along the edges. So all around this line right here, you are going to cut. And then if you have a glue stick, you'll want to turn over my international passport and glue the back and then press it down this way onto the cover page that you chose for this one. So since I just have tape, I'm going to be using tape. So once you're done with that page, it should look like this. Then you'll take my travel stamps in the other colored page and do the same thing that you did with this page. So you'll cut around the edges again and then glue or tape it onto the other colored page. And then when you're done, it should look like this again. So now you'll take your international passports page and you're going to fold it down the line in the middle. So it looks like this. You can open it, and then you will take the travel stamps page and do the same thing. And then with this one, instead of folding it this way, you're going to fold it this way on the line so that the brown page is all that you see, or the colored page is all that you see. So then it should look like this, and then when you open it, you'll see My Travel Stamps. So you'll take this and you're going to put it inside the international passport page, just like this, so that it should look like a little booklet. So when you first open the page, it'll be blank, and then you open another one and you'll see My Travel Stamps. So next, what you're going to do is take your hole punch, and you're going to make 3 punches, one right here, and one right here. So after you have all of your punches, you will take the 3 pieces of string and weave them through each hole and tie them off in a knot. So then it should look like this, and you should have another one right here, but I just ripped mine so I couldn't put it through. But now you're going to take your pencil, and right on top right here where it says International Passport, the line above it, you're going to write your name. Like this. And then when you open it up, to the middle will be your My Travel Stamps. If you probably will run out of room in here for your stamps because they're bigger. When that happens, go to the first page and the back page. On the brown pages that don't have anything on it, and write My Travel Stamps. Like this. So then each week when we go to a new country and you get a travel stamp, you will cut out the travel stamp and with your glue stick, glue it down, or with tape, this. And then each week when we go to a new country, you can color it off with a colored pencil or a marker, or even if it's the same color or just different designs. So we are going to Canada on Wednesday, so this is North America, and then Canada is located up top here, so you'll just shade that in. So each week when we travel to a new country together, make sure you have your passport close by so you can use it to put a new stamp for what country we went to, and that way you can have a collection at the end of this term of every country that we went to.